we will discuss the role of taxes in society and why we may not need them. During tax season, many people try to provide practical ways to lower your tax bill, but instead, we will explore how taxes undermine what is left of a civilized society. Firstly, we will discuss why taxes cannot be used to increase welfare in society. All economics is microeconomics, meaning that no macroeconomic phenomena can exist outside the individual decisions of billions of individuals. Therefore, individuals must act in the world using means to obtain certain ends. The way we know that an individual desires some definite end is through observing their actions in the world. If the individual is the only one that can know what makes them better off, we must necessarily allow individuals to make choices in society voluntarily. Any intervention into the market economy necessarily impedes the ability of the individual to express their preferences through action. Therefore, any coercive interventions into the market necessarily harm the ability of the individual to maximize their welfare, making the world worse off. Taxation falls well within this category as it forcibly co-opts funds from members of society, and those funds were necessarily going to be spent in another way. Secondly, we will explore why redistribution through taxation makes the world poorer. The second major argument for taxation is to redistribute wealth in a perceived more equitable manner, but the very idea of a distribution of wealth is fallacious from the start. All economic activity consists of the creation of wealth through the rearrangement of inputs to better achieve the desires of the consuming public. Given that producers or entrepreneurs are trying to satisfy the desires of the consumers in the most efficient way possible, any government intervention into this process would necessarily make society worse off. In conclusion, we believe that taxation is not the price we pay to live in a civilized society. Rather, taxes help to undermine what is left of civilized society. If taxation is to exist, it should be justified on other grounds. We encourage readers to read Murray Rothbard's treatise, Man, Economy, and State, among other great works, for a thorough explanation of the arguments presented in this video. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.